rectangle, a tiny rectangle like this. Make it tiny, put it to the middle, duplicate it, rotate it to 90 degrees, like this. Make sure it cuts the circle like this. Okay, you can also click on the circle, hold down your shift key, the first tiny rectangle, the second tiny rectangle, go to align, say align center. You are fine. Then draw another rectangle. Draw a rectangle in this format like this. Then rotate it to angle 45 like this. Do it like this. Okay, it does it like this. Then Ctrl A to highlight all of them. Go to format, come to match shape, do fragment as it is. Just click outside, then delete all this, delete it. One of the shape, click on one of the shape, right click and go to shape format. Go to shape format, go to effect. You want to add shadow to it. I think this is fine. So we have the same. I think this is fine. Alright, then we come to fill again. Then we change the color. We say solid. We change the color to your preferred color. I want to use this color. Alright, I'll find like downward icon, search icon, so I'll pick. Insert text box. Yeah, that's not the text box. So this is piano. The piano. So format the piano like I always do. We have drums. Okay. Okay, let us group the shape and the icons together. Ctrl G, Ctrl G, Ctrl G, Ctrl G, such that if we move the shape, it goes with the icon. Then let's select all, Ctrl A. Then let's do animation, say flying in animation. Okay, everything is going through the same direction. So what we'll do now is we're going to give each object and text various animation effects. You can see in case of the piano from top right, Same, let's do the same here. Let's do the same here. Top right, left. So as you can see, if we now say let us play it, see everything converges. Everything converges. Let's set the duration. As you can see, so you can use this. You can use this for any presentation of interest, depending on. Always remember to put a background. Always remember to put a background. Thank you. I can see you are welcome. You can as well follow me for more of this. Follow me for more of this, and try to share it. If there's any question, I'll be in the comment section waiting to answer all your questions.